Welcome to a new chapter in your life where technology opens doors to staying connected, informed, and engaged. Discover how Simply Senior Zoom sessions can transform your digital experience, making it accessible, enjoyable, and stress-free. Struggling with technology can be a thing of the past. Our daily Zoom help rooms offer you the expert support you need. In a community that understands and cares, learn at your own pace, where no question is too small. Let Simply Senior be the bridge that strengthens your family bond. We take the tech questions off your loved one's shoulders, so you can all enjoy more quality time together, creating better experiences for the entire family. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your digital horizons, our classes are designed with your learning journey in mind. Grow your skills at a pace that's right for you, from basic internet skills to advanced digital tools. Become a part of a community that celebrates your digital achievements. Join us at Simply Senior and start your journey to tech savvy today.
Visit onlinetechlessons.com, where technology becomes a source of empowerment and joy for seniors and their families.